Any fish yet?
No, not yet.
Alright. Alright guys, we're back. Sun's going down, so we're not going to be here too long, but we're giving it another try, trying our best. Still nothing yet. We're learning. This is really the first year I've ever done any serious... Oh no. Stop.
We got it.
We were hung up in a tree. This is the first year I've done any serious steelhead fishing, so I'm learning. I've only been out once before last year, but we've been trying everything. Anyways, so we've been trying everything. The water's a little clear today. It didn't rain at all today, which is good, but we still have a lot to learn. Been getting some good tips from people, which is awesome. We're learning, and we've been trying everything: eggs, jigs, shrimp, everything we know that they like. But I know they're tough fish, and we're learning. Doing our best, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a car and a cave.
Anyways, we'll be back at you soon. We're hoping to get a fish. We really want to fish. Hopefully we can get you some good footage if we get one on. So we'll keep trying. We've got about another 2 weeks before this river closes, and we can't fish for steelhead anymore. So I think almost all the rivers in Oregon, you can only keep hatchery fish. You can't keep wild fish. And of course hatchery fish have the clip fin, so if we can get a hatchery we'll be even happier, but even if we can get a wild and turn her loose, we'll be happy for that. So thanks for sticking around and watching the video. We'll try to get a fish. Check this out, guys. There is an old Plymouth power light. This is the trunk. The frame of the car is down in there. I'm assuming this is the roof, and then the front grille. And there's some light assemblies down in there, and parts of the frame over there, and parts of the bumper over there. Check that out, man. A whole car buried in the bank of this river. Isn't that crazy? Pretty wild, huh? I don't even know what a Plymouth power light is or what year that was. Looks like it's been here a long time. Just never know what you'll find. Pretty crazy, huh? Anybody that knows about a Plymouth power light, make a comment. I've never even heard of them. Day 3, guys. Still no steelhead. Listen, I'll be the first one to say, I don't know what I'm doing. And apparently it's evident, because I'm fishing all the same bait that the guys down here I know are fishing. And sorry, I'm bringing my line in right now. And I know there's fish in here. You guys are probably like, yeah, there's no steelhead in that river. But seriously, I don't know. This is a learning curve, man. I don't know what I'm doing. And apparently that's very clear. So yeah, I need some tips. Those of you guys out there that steelhead fish, I'm using all the right bait. I've used a couple different tactics. I've been floating eggs sacks down. I've been floating jigs down. Right now I've got pencil weight on with egg sack, getting it down near the bottom, and no bites. So, and you can see that my kids have bailed on me for day 3. They're discouraged too. Anyways, any of you out there that are great steelhead fishermen, Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I think maybe I got to learn how to read the river probably. I'm trying to find, you know, some calm, some slower moving water where I know there's some pools, because they'll, you know, I know that they'll hide in there. But like I said, man, this is a learning. I've never, you know, really fished steelhead before, so I am learning and failing. Anyways, we'll see if there'll be a day 4 or day 5. I don't know. There may not be. Alright, doing my best to get a fish so we can all see what these things are supposed to look like.